What's up, guys? I'm going to be showing you today my favorite routine for getting abs right. We got these bars here. You want to, instead of being straight up like this, doing this, you want to have a little bit of a bend, crunch, time under tension, nice and slow. This is one of my favorite, absolute favorite movements to get your abs right. That's one of my second favorite movements for abs. Here we go. Squeeze at the top, slow on the way down. For this movement, this is something that is newer for me. I've switched up my ab routine a lot, but this is something that once you've already got your abs engaged and you've already worked out quite a bit, you feel it in your abs, this is a great movement to do. You want to get the seat adjusted for you. Have your legs straight out like this. Get your hands like this. Grab underneath. Simply push forward. Squeeze. Okay. This is one of my absolute favorite movements for weeks. This is how we do it. So yeah, guys, like I said, just broke down 3 of my new favorite movements. I used to do a lot of different groundwork, and there's a lot of different things that you can do for your abs, but at the moment, these are 3 of my main focuses that I do right now that I think are some of the best movements that you can do for your abs to keep your abs in shape. So once again,